Hello, I'm Yi, and I want to show you something I have built recently. Not as a software developer, because I'm not one. I'm a battery engineer. I have never written JavaScript before, and with the AI as my colleague, I went from zero to this full working app in just 6 weeks. Let me show you what's possible when everyone can code. A little bit background of what inspired me to create this project. I love traveling and I love sharing my travel stories, but I found social media can make this sharing experience very stressful. So the likes, the comparison, and also the pressure to make everything perfect, it kills the joy of sharing with friends. But what I really enjoy is to talk and share my traveling experience with a close friend. So the raw and the real stories without any performance. But the friends cannot always be there. So what happens? My photos sit on my phone, my thoughts stay in my head, and my journals collect dust. Those three systems never talk with each other, and the memories, they fade away. That's why I built LannaMemoir, an AI friend who's always there, ready to listen, no judgment. Just you and your photos and your stories, recorded, connected forever. Here it is how I interact with LannaMemoir. My memory is like a universe, and each journey is like a galaxy. First, I use a journey architect to create the journey I have been to by talking with the AI. Hey, I have been to Beijing, Shanghai, Nanjing, and Shenzhen in China recently in 2026 January. And you can see that it's converts my words quite successfully, and it log all the places I have been to and also the time. Then it will automatically capture the cities I have been to and find them in the Google Maps, and it will create a galaxy in the Memoir app. Okay, it says my galaxy is ready. Let's check. Here it is, my trip of Beijing, Shanghai, Nanjing, and Shenzhen. It's mimicking the real geometrical locations after my journey was created. So it's time to upload photos and create nice memories. I will just easily drag a photo inside and it recognizes the architectures. So I will talk through about it. This is Tiananmen Square. I have taken photo in Beijing. It was my first time to be there, and I was surprised of how many tourists there in the early morning. Okay, it will respond me, and I will finish the memory. It will form a nice summary of the stories of my travel journey. And also the original conversations will also be logged there. When I press the button of place on map, and you can see that a new star just formed, ignited in this journey. And this has recorded my memories about Tiananmen Square visit. There is another cool functions of LannaMemoir app because I have all the memories I have been put in the app, and I can use it to find the connections that I have missed. So we can chat with memories and click this button of discover patterns. It will find the patterns across all the journeys of what I like. For example, I have like 12 memories about the animals. If you don't want to read the text, it's fine. You can show clusters on the map. And the clusters basically represents how many photos that you have of that category. For example, I'm a big animal fan, and you can see how many photos I have created with cats. So here it is LannaMemoir. You might forget the story after 2 years, but with LannaMemoir, you relive the moments. Photo fade, story stays. This is the app. Give it a try.